Hi, I'm Pete, the developer of Knitting Chart. This video is part of the basic series, and this one is about creating freeform charts. So let's take a look. Start by creating a new project using the plus button here, and then select Draw Freeform Chart. On this page, you select the technique. This just defines the initial settings of your tools and the chart, but you can change this at any time. So let's keep it on crochet for now. Next. On this page, you set the initial guides for your project. You can choose between circle, square, oval, or a spiral guide, or no guides at all. You can change the number of rounds, change the number of divisions, and also change the ratio of the guides. For now, let's put it on a circle and tap Create. Let's take a look at the available tools. On the bottom left, you have the tool for placing stitch symbols onto your chart. So let's select a crochet symbol here and then change the color to blue. If you tap on your canvas, then you can use the handles to rotate it or, for instance, place it somewhere else. You get some more options. You can duplicate this stitch and you can also rotate it using the buttons instead of the handles. You can use this to scale your stitch, send it to the back. This is to change the color. You can change the line width. This only works when you are placing symbols or lines onto your chart. You can also choose to lock the symbol so it can't be moved. And you can go to the chart settings on the top left if you want to unlock all objects. So it can be handy if you want to make sure you can't move it anymore. The next tool is for placing stitch symbols automatically into a circle or on a line or on a square. So if I select this one and then tap on the canvas, symbols are automatically positioned into a circle. So you can, for instance, line it out with the grid. If you tap and hold on the center, you can choose to select another stitch symbol, so it will be swapped. Or if you tap and hold on it and then select number, you can change the number of symbols in this circle. The same goes for placing symbols on a line, like this, for instance, or placing them in a square. Next, the selection tool. You have a few options here. The first one is to select a symbol and then move it by dragging around anywhere on the screen. So let me show you how this works. If you select this symbol, now you can drag also completely on the right or something just to move the symbol around. So this makes it easier if you want to place symbols on a precise location without obstructing them with your finger. The plus is just for selecting additional symbols, and this is just the default selection tool. This is for creating additional guides, so you can create extra guides if you want to. This is for placing objects. You can choose to place an image. So for instance, if you want to recreate an existing design, you can place it as an image onto your chart and then recreate it by reducing the opacity, for instance, and then placing symbols on top of it. This is for placing text and shapes onto your chart. On the top left, you can select the chart settings. You can use this to unlock all objects or lock the guides, unlock them, and stuff like that. Here you have the more options. This is for opening up the legend. There are a lot of options here, so I will create a separate video about that, but just to give you an idea of what is there. And this is again the undo, the redo, and the zoom out. Okay, that's it. Just a quick overview of the most important features when creating a freeform chart. There are some separate videos about, for instance, recreating a granny square and stuff like that on this channel. So be sure to check them out if you want to learn a little bit more about it. Okay, hope to see you next time. Bye.